Uno Flip Attack. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There are two sides to the deck, the light, mild side and the dark, wild side. Ensure all the cards are facing the same direction before dealing. The game begins with the mild side facing the players. Start the discard pile with the top mild card from the deck. If it is an action, ignore it and try again. Load the deck into the card launcher with the mild side facing the yellow part of the card cartridge. When you close the lid, the yellow side should be face up. If not, lift up the lid until there is a click as the cartridge rotates, then close it. Never rotate the cartridge by hand. Turn on the launcher. Always rotate the launcher so it faces the player whose turn it is. During play, if you don't have a matching card or you don't want to play, you must press the launcher button one time. If nothing happens, then your turn is over. If cards shoot out, then you must add all of them into your hand and end your turn. Whenever you add cards to your hand, you must make certain that they all face the same direction as the other cards in your hand so that all the players, at all times, are always playing the same side of the cards. The penalty for not saying Uno is to press the launcher button twice and collect any cards that shoot out. The new action cards are Flip. All players flip their hands to the other side. Flip over the discard pile, then flip over the draw deck by opening the lid until it clicks and closing it. You must now play with the new side. Hit 2x and hit 5x. The next player in turn order must press the launcher button the indicated number of times, collect any cards that shoot out, then skip their turn. Discard all. Discard all the cards in your hand that match the color of the discard all card, placing the discard all card on top. Wild discard all. This card is a wild card and is the same as the discard all, except you can pick any single color you want to discard. Wild press your luck. This card is a wild card. Discard one card from your hand, then press the launcher. If nothing happens, then you can discard again and press the launcher again. Continue this process until you want to stop or the launcher shoots out cards. If you stop, place this card on top. If the launcher shoots out cards, then collect those cards in addition to all the cards you discarded and put them back into your hand, leaving this card in the discard. Skip everyone. Skip all the players and play again. Wild all-out attack. This card is a wild card. The next player from you is the target. Every player presses the launcher button one time, and all the cards that shoot out are added to the target's hand. The target's turn is not skipped. When playing for points, the action cards are worth the following amount, but you only count the side of the cards you ended the game on.